Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, it's just gonna be like a whole house clean with me. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so I need to get this kitchen clean. Let's go. Alright, here comes Dominic adding more stuff to the pile. Alright guys, so here I am just cleaning up after lunch, putting away our basic peanut butter and jelly. Alright, now I'm just getting started on cleaning up the counters, and I feel like this is like one of the most satisfying things to get done because it just looks so good when you're done. By the way, if you are new here, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to see more of my videos. I love doing dishes. I feel like they're never ending though. But that's what happens when you don't have a dishwasher. If anybody was watching my videos from before, you're probably wondering why I never use a dishwasher. Alright, next up, I'm cleaning off Christian's high chair. He wanted to help me, and I think, honestly, he just wanted to climb up there and get something to eat. Look how cute. Alright, now that I got the high chair clean, I'm moving on to the next satisfying thing to get done. I gotta get this stove cleaned. Once this is done, it just feels great to look at it nice and clean. Guys, if you haven't already, please head on over to Instagram and follow me at MomAndOnADaily 2020. Trying to declutter this side of the counter and get this cleaned off. laundry done. Always with me, no matter where I go. Alright, moving on. Now I stripped everyone's beds, and then I'm gonna take this down and get the rest of this laundry going. So pretty much every time I do a load of laundry, I always add in the Lysol laundry sanitizer, but when I do my towels, I also add in some white vinegar. I feel like this really helps get the towels clean, and it's a better alternative to using bleach. Alright, last thing I'm getting done today is I'm going to be cleaning off my table before we get dinner started, and then we're all going to sit down here and have our dinner. hope you enjoyed it. I hope you hit the like button and the subscribe button to see more videos. We'll see you next time. Bye. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you would like, please follow me over on Instagram at MomandOnTheDaily2020. Thank you. See you again. Bye.